Yeah, I've enjoyed my 6 weeks in Cyfle. It's been a good experience, meeting new people and learning how to do pre-production paperwork and getting more skills with pre-production.
Do. Yeah. Dwi'n yn hoffi mynd ar y cyfrifiadur, ond actually dwi'n reit proud bod dwi wedi gwneud o, a dwi wedi dysgu lot am gwneud pethau ar y cyfrifiadur. So, yeah, dwi actually wedi mwynhau o, yeah.
Yeah, it was good. I met a lot of new people and I learned a lot of new things like pre-production skills, post-production skills, things like that.
Yeah, the last 6 weeks have been really good. I've really enjoyed, met some great people and learned some good skills that I haven't done before. Things like editing and post-production.
Yeah, I've been looking forward to go to work for the past 6 weeks and I can't wait to start on Monday.
Nervous iawn. Dwi'n meddwl bydd i ar ddilyn bydd i fel, oh na, ond excited hefyd, so yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Glad to get stuck in, you know. Learn some new things from get some contacts, you know.
I'm really excited. It'll be the first time I've worked in my life and it's a new experience for me. And yeah, just being around people who are into sports like me and radio, who have the same passion as me, and I'm really looking forward.
I'm looking forward to working with the Ariel Exa and working as part of a professional crew.
Just mynd ar y setau, weld popeth yna, dwi'n meddwl. Yeah. Dwi'n reit cyffroes, actually. Yeah. I'm nervous.
Oh, I just want to get my hands on the equipment to see what it's all about and just get familiarise myself with the equipment, basically. Yeah.
Learning new skills, you know, new radio skills and new researching skills. Yeah, I'm really excited.